Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we have a glitter haul. Obviously, like, this is where it's at. So I did use this already, but I did film me opening it. So I will show you that clip, but I did already open that by the time I'm filming this haul specifically. So I'm actually gonna start with these two, which are like the best part. So I will do the unboxing of this right now. Switch. All right, we have Black Magic, and this one I'm so excited for. Y'all have no... Guys, this is as beautiful as it looked in all the photos. I have not had this before. I just saw everyone comparing it. Yes, I'm going to save every last drop. All right, we're back. Here is Black Magic. And I'm wearing it on my nails, actually. I filmed a video and then I switched my shape because I did not want the coffin that I had done. So this bad boy, here, I'll just scrape it on for you guys to see so we can see all the different pieces. So it is a matte black glitter. Then we have some fine glitter that is the orange. We also have super fine glitter that is holographic. And then there are a couple bigger silver pieces, and we have that fine purple. It's just so pretty. Literally, just cannot get enough of this. I can see why everyone was obsessed with this when it came out, and I am so glad that they listened to the people to bring this back, because it is literally the most perfect Halloween glitter. Next up we have Witch's Brew, and I have not opened this one, obviously. Whoa, I knew that was gonna happen. Okay, this is also the perfect name for this gel. You know, I love Black Magic. This one caught me by surprise. I'm not gonna lie. And if you've been with me, you guys know I like to place my glitter where I want it versus letting it self level to where it wants to go. Like, it looks so pretty out of focus. Like, I might need this on my nails now. Colors from their fall release. To get free shipping, I needed to add a couple more, and I was like, this seems like a really good collection to add, because I don't add too many more glitters now. So yeah, I figured I would add this. So we have Smoke and Gun. I have said this many times, Light Elegance has the best glitters. This one is really pretty. This is, I mean, probably why it came out for fall, but I really like this specific glitter. So it has matte gray, but it's kind of like a brown gray. And then it has that super fine pink, almost like the Betty Davis glitter. Like there's like a dust glitter in it. It's super pretty. All right, next one up is Miss Superspicious. So this one is also rocking a matte glitter, and this is a peachy color. I would say it's a dark peach. There's not really any pink to it. You know how some peaches can lean pink, some can lean orange. This seems very neutral pink, like very neutral. If I had to say it leaned more orange or pink, I would say it goes more orange. What's your alibi? Oh, look at that. This is so pretty. It's definitely a gold in my opinion, but it's kind of like an orangey brown gold. I think that's the best way to describe it, with orange with holographic glitter in it. And there's all different sizes of glitter. Next up is No Clue. And I can see why this one would come out in a fall collection. It is your kind of teal blue. The main, I think, darker color is your blue, and then you have some lighter glitter leaning more green with the holographic, and it's creating a ton of depth here. Next up is Caught Red-Handed. This is a fuchsia, I would say the fuchsia matte glitter, along with some red and the purple from it almost looks like from Black Magic. I was gonna say Witch's Brew, like the larger glitter in Witch's Brew. Last but not least is Questionable Motives. I will say this is probably one of the main reasons I ordered this. Whoop, might help if I was in the right frame for it to focus. Definitely one of the main reasons. Not that I don't probably own these shards somewhere in my collection, and probably for much cheaper, but already in a gel, ready to go. Stunning, and I'm here for it. This will also be good like mermaid nails. All right, here's Questionable Motives. It looks like it could go really well with LE After Midnight. I don't have anything on the purple side for that, but I consider this blue with a shift of purple. This is Little Red Sleigh against it. You can see it is definitely way more fuchsia. It's Fire Breather, but I don't really have anything super comparable to it. So I think this one was a good add. This section with the nudes, that is French Press, Pink Diamond. No joke, I don't even have all of my swatches together. So this is Monet All Day, and this is Miss Suspicious. I did want to show you that because they both contain matte glitter. Here is Smoking Gun. Again, I don't have anything. Maybe Smoke and Mirror, but this doesn't have any pink in it, and obviously substantially bigger. I'm gonna go with, I don't have anything. Are my pinks and nudes. Okay. It looks like a super fine glitter, very similar to Pop the Bubbly, but this is all glitter. There's no matte in here. The matte, I think, is what kind of adds to the comparison. I think that would actually be a cool ombre. There is Smoothie. Here is Champagne, Betty Davis. Here is What's Your Alibi. These guys leaf gels for me, even though I keep these in a drawer, they don't last. That's not what they actually look like, but no, I don't have anything. Here is Witch's Brew. That is Wipeout, which is all holographic. Get Buzzed, Twinkle Toes, Shaved Ice. Yeah, Sophia obviously does not even close. I would say Wipeout is your closest, but even then that's not comparable. This is No Clue. No, let's go to the green side. No Clue is this one. This is Snake Charmer. Not really comparable. This one definitely screams more mermaid to me than this one. This one definitely screams like dark and gloomy. Nothing really popping out except for that Snake Charmer. This is Black Magic comparable. Let's go Big Dipper here because that would be my closest. Big Dipper being my closest. This one with that orange, even though there's like small orange flecks, this one screams Halloween. This one screams like it's winter time, we can wear dark colors. They are close-ish. Black Magic, Caught Red-Handed, Miss Suspicious, Smoking Gun, No Clue, What's Your Alibi, Questionable Motives, and Witch's Brew. I think this one surprised me the most, that how much I love it. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the swatch video and comparison. So I'm glad I picked up this collection because for me, it fits well into my collection. And then these guys, I mean, I don't know what to say other than Light Elegance hit it out of the park. And I'm so happy that they brought that back. I really like that they did this as a special, and you can see it's very unique in the packaging. The only thing I don't like is that it's black and the packaging is orange, but I guess you know it's Halloween and you see the stars. But I do like that it's special. So I'm indifferent to these because reaching in, but I color code, so is it really that big of a deal? Probably not. So, all right, thank you guys so much for watching. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye-bye.